Hi everyone, so welcome to this session on the evolution of jobs. So this is a very interesting session and one of the key sessions to learn future skills because when you understand the history, you prepare for the future. So in evolution of job, you get to understand that how exactly jobs have changed in last 200, 300 years, what exactly has happened and how the shift actually happens. And then we'll also see some of the key reasons for the changes in jobs. So the evolution of jobs refers to the change in nature of work over time, driven by technological advancements, economic shifts, and societal changes. So we'll discuss all three. We'll discuss about the technological advancement, we'll discuss about economic shift, and we'll discuss about how societal changes change the nature of jobs, right? The evolution of jobs can be traced back to industrial revolution and continues to present day. Now, this is important and this is what we'll discuss now about industrial revolution. So if you see, we were actually, I mean, before 200, 300, 400 years, we were mostly into agriculture and all the human work and everything. And then first industrial revolution happens where, wherein humans understand the power of machines. They understand that they are able to replicate the work and machine can do work on their behalf. And all the fast growth story started from there. So let's see one by one. First industrial revolution, during the Industrial Revolution, what happens is jobs shifted from agriculture and craft-based work to factory-based work. So before that, what was happening is that humans were mostly doing the agriculture, craft, they have some produces, or they are creating some things by hand and then going here and there, selling and trade is happening, all that was happening. But then what happened is this change shifted to factory based work. Human actually understood that there can be a factory that can set up and then there can be production on mass level. So this led to the emergence of new jobs roles such as factory workers, engineers, and mechanics. So this is what the first creation of jobs was done in first industrial revolution, and you saw the job roles like factory workers or the engineers or the mechanics. Now what happens is second industrial revolution came. So in second industrial revolution, we saw further advancement in technology leading to the growth of new industry and job roles such as automotive workers or airplane pilots. You saw the fast movement of people during second industrial revolution. So if I talk about, say, timeline of industrial revolution, you can say first industrial revolution was around 1760 to 1800. Second industrial revolution is around 1850s to 1900s, and then we'll see the third industrial revolution. So second industrial revolution, we saw the fast movement. So the steam engine came, then cars came in second revolution, then you saw airplanes. So people were not just creating stuff, but also were able to move fast, and then they were able to move fast and they were able to move their goods fast, right? Then came the third industrial revolution, which we are in present. Maybe we are entering in fourth industrial revolution. But third industrial revolution timeline, you can say about 1950s to present or till 2020 or something like that. But this is also known as digital revolution. So this digital revolution began in the late 20th century and continues to the present day, which has profound impact on evolution of jobs. So what happened with every industrial revolution, our speed got faster. And once we got internet in place, 1950s 1960 was the imagination of internet. People started to understand computers and coding and everything. The work was started late 2000s. We got the internet era wherein a lot of internet companies came and new jobs were created, a lot of money was minted. Then you saw social media and internet and artificial intelligence and everything, and then we are just going fast and fast and fast. And today we are in such a capability that people are able to build AI tools in days or weeks, right? So this is like the evolution of job actually happened. Now, going forward, we'll see the fourth industrial revolution, which would be probably the AI or automation revolution, wherein we'll see that humans actually don't have to work as such. They have the capability and understanding and have tools who can work on their behalf and humans would be mostly dealing in lot of essential stuff like dealing with people, getting the job done, mostly managerial or that kind of skills. And as Elon Musk once said, that probably in the future, the human labor work may not even exist. So this is the future that we are looking forward to. Now let us understand what are the some of the key reasons for change in job roles. As I said in the beginning, that you have technological reasons, societal reasons, and economic reasons. So let's see one by one. One is the economic changes. So the evolution of job have also have been influenced by economic shift, such as rise of the service sector and the decline of the manufacturing sector in some countries. So of course, you see the kind of sectors will improve, same is the requirement of jobs will come. If you remember the 2000s era, India saw the rise of BPO sector, right, wherein lot of BPOs or call centers came, and then you see in Delhi NCR on top metros everyone was working in BPOs. Similarly, if you see the COVID period in India, when people were not able to go out, the digital work culture came, that people were able to work from home, right? A lot of jobs came. People who were working with in technology didn't have time because they had so much of work. So these are the kind of changes that happens because of a lot of economic factors, right? So now, because of economic changes, this led to a lot of new job roles and new industries were created like healthcare, education, hospitality. So of course, with economy comes the capacity to spend more, right? You can afford good healthcare only when the economic development is fast and people have good money. Same is with education, hospitality, and all other sectors. So these are the economic changes which bring new job roles and evolve the jobs. Second is societal changes. Now, what happens is societal changes also have the impact on evolution of jobs. The increase in globalization and cultural diversity has led to a growing demand for workers with cross-cultural competency. So this is just one example of the kind of skills that societal changes brings. But the emphasis, like one more example we can take, is the emphasis on sustainability has led to the growth of new job roles in areas such as renewable energy, environmental conservation. So if you see in last, it's like 7, 8 years or 10 years, we have seen a lot of focus on renewable energy. So because so many companies have come, the new job roles are created. Similarly, if you see electric vehicles, so many startups are there, they're working on electric vehicles. So again, a lot of new jobs are created. And so these are societal changes. Next is the growth of technology. This is something which is very, very visible in our society, and you can see the new job roles. Because of the growth of technology, there are so many people who are working in technology field because of the growth of technology. There is social media, due to which so many people are content creators and are able to earn money because of the content, and so many more things. So the growth of digital technology has led to the emergence of new job roles such as software developers, data analysts, digital marketers, and a lot more. It has also led to the automation of certain tasks, leading to decline of lot of traditional job roles. I give this example a lot of times, that there is blue collar job, there is a white collar job. The blue collar is all about repetitive work, but the white collar job is all about decision making. If you see, the blue collar job is mostly replaced by technology, like for example, a security guard is easily replaced by the CCTV camera. And then now, because of artificial intelligence, automation, digitization, we are also seeing the decline of white collar job, and lot of work can be done with automation, right? So these are the growth of technology and change and evolution of jobs. So this was the basic understanding of how the jobs have evolved in last 200 to 300 years. In summary, the evolution of jobs have been driven by technological, economic, and societal changes. So now, as the world continue to change, the evolution of job is likely to continue, leading to emergence of new opportunities and challenges for the workers. So this was just like a basic understanding to help you understand how the jobs have changed. So of course, In future videos, I'll talk about reasons for new jobs. I'll talk about a lot of sectors where new jobs are coming, and then we'll get into future skills, and a lot more stuff is lined up. So stay tuned. Also, let me know your views about this video and other future skills video. Do check the course and ebook on my website. And then thank you so much for watching this video.